Hello everybody, welcome. Now, something nice and simple today. I'm not making this really, I'm cooking it, if you get what I mean. It's everything I bought from the shop, jar stuff and whatever. Let me show you what we're going to do. Right, meatballs. We do like meatballs. Can make your own, but I've just bought Aldi ones. Nice and easy and convenient. The homemade ones are a lot better, but for them, for £2.19p, I think they are now or something. I got them. You get, how many in there? 12 in there. There's only 3 of us having them, so we get 4 apiece. Lovely. Got some linguine, chilli one. I've done that on my channel before, which I quite like that. And I've also got this lemon one. Never had that lemon one before. I'm not a big fan on lemon, but I think with the sourness and the sweetness I'm going to do with my meatballs, I think it might go nice. A few cherry tomatoes. I've had 4 really small red onions, because that's all I've got in the house. So probably 2 medium ones or 1 large one or something. Some of the Aldi pasta sauce, onion and garlic, a bit more garlic, some salt, some pepper, bit of Worcester sauce, and I've also got some garlic bread which is in the freezer. So, nice and simple. Right, first thing that I'm going to do, I've got a pot of water. I'm going to get that, let me show you. I'm going to get that started to boil. And then I'm going to get my pan on. Well, I'll put my meatballs in a bowl. Just going to spray a bit of oil and just get a little bit of salt on them, that's all. Not season them too much because they're going to be seasoning in the sauce anyway. Just a little bit, that's all. Nothing special. Give it a mix. Do like a few meatballs, us. Say you haven't got to use that linguine if you don't want it, you just use normal pasta. Just, I've got that, so I thought, well, I'm going to use it. I haven't tried that lemon one before, so we'll see what that's like. Now I'm just going to get a little bit of one spray in my frying pan. And I'm going to get my meatballs in, but I'm going to do them slow. I'm not going to get them really burnt, I'm just going to do them nice and slow. Nice little sizzle. Up, dropped one. 3-second rule. Sides are clean, don't worry, I'm not wasting them. Going to turn them. I've turned it down a little bit, I don't want it doing that quick. What I'm doing now, I'm going to get my onions in at the side while these are cooking. All these to one side. And get my onions in. And I've got just a little bit of brown sugar. There will be a bit more brown sugar going in, but not at the second. What you want to do is get all them wilted down. Keep turning your meatballs. Right, I'm going to take the onions out now. Looking nice. Smelling delicious. The water's boiling now for the pasta. Now I'm getting my meatballs out. Because they're going to go into the sauce in a minute. Let's them onions off. And then just give your pan a wipe. Just to get the excess oil off, that's all. Now get your tomatoes in. I'll just give that a quick wipe. And your onions back in. And then get your sauce in. With a little bit of garlic. I'll put the garlic in first, I think. Give it a quick mix. Just a teaspoon of garlic. Get my spoon, wooden spoon. Nice and simple food. Now get your jar in, your jar of pasta sauce. We're doing meatball sauce and all. I'm not putting any water in it because I'm going to simmer all this down anyway, so it comes nice and thick. So the more water I put in, the longer I've got to do it, innit? So I'm not doing that. There the garlic buds I've got. They're going to go in the air fryer for about 15 minutes till they're crispy. It's just started boiling now, so I'm going to stick me meatballs back in there, and I'm going to get me pasta in. And we want this to become nice and thick. And towards the end, a bit of Worcester sauce and a little bit of brown sugar to give it a mix. And you get that nice sweetness then with the brown sugar. Or granulated, if you want to use granulated, you've got no brown. It's up to you. Sorry guys, I don't know whether that recorded that bit there, when I've just put me linguine in here. I've just looked at my phone and it stopped, so I'm not sure whether it recorded that. This is doing now, thickening up. I want to get a little bit of brown sugar in it again, just to get that sweetness. I don't know whether you people put brown sugar in theirs, but I'll tell you, it brings out the flavour. And a bit of Worcester sauce. Turn that down a bit, look how thick that's going now, that's what you want. Let it thicken up a bit more. We're not long gone now. Not long to do. Right guys, everything is ready. So now I'm going to dish up these little linguine. I've done enough to feed the 10,000. There's the linguine, lovely. A bit of the sauce, there's my sauce now, looking nice. I've got the window open, I do apologise, probably hear the wind. Shouldn't get the rest of that sauce in. So I've done enough for 3. So then I want to get my meatballs on top. Nice and simple. Now I'm going to have a bit of parmesan on mine. Nat and the lad don't like parmesan, I prefer normal grated. So I'm going to give them theirs before it gets cold. Now, I'm just going to grate a bit of parmesan on mine. You don't like parmesan, do you, Bab?
No, I don't.
No, I think you did. Smelly feet. Smelly feet. Oh, wasn't even in camera then.
Triple grey?
Yeah, there we go. Right, let's get on the table. Let's get on the table and let's have a taste. Right. Looks nice actually. Nat's tucking into hers. I don't know what she thinks of that lemon.
Can't taste it.
Can't really taste it. Let me show you. There we go. I think it looks quite nice. Nice, cheap, simple. There's the garlics. Let me talk to the garlics, Bab. Nat has been waiting to do a thumbnail so he can get the garlic. There you go, look. Yeah. So then, what do we think altogether? Simple, isn't it? But I like to cook mine a bit slower. I know you can do it a lot quicker. It took me about half hour altogether. But I like to do it a bit slower. Look at the bloody man boobs, look. Can I buy you a bra? Yeah, let me try some of this lemon, because I'm not really keen on lemon. So let me try one.
Can't taste it.
No, can't taste the lemon at all, can you?
No. I was a bit worried because I could smell it. I could smell it when you was cooking it. I was a bit worried it was going to be overpowering. Can't taste it. I can smell it.
I can smell it.
Can't taste it.
Well, I thought it was going to be overpowering, that's why I put a bit more sugar in the sauce so you get a lot of the sour and the sweet. What's it taste like altogether? Nice.
I think it's really nice, yeah.
Let's try a meatball. So you can make your own meatballs, can't you? But well, then stop.
Yeah.
You can make your own meatballs, but for convenience, for that for £2.19. I think if I was making more than 3, I'd probably make my own because you're paying more. You know what I mean? I'd make my own then. But for a couple of you, instead of messing around, wouldn't it?
I think it's really nice. It's really tasty.
That sauce is lovely, isn't it? When you put your sugar and the
And the tomatoes in it.
tomatoes and the onions and the Worcester sauce,
You've done a good
and you
job.
fry it all together.
It's very nice.
Yeah. A bit of parmesan. And smelly feet cheese, as Nat calls it. Yeah.
I can't stand it.
She can't stand stuff. She just has normal gratty, don't you, Bab? And the lad is the same. That's really tasty, isn't it?
It's lovely.
Bit of garlic. Bread. Dip it in. Well, I'm happy now.
Yeah, it's very nice. It's really
Nice, isn't it?
Yeah.
Nothing else I can say. Try it nice and simple. As I say, you haven't got to have that linguine. We had it in the cupboard. I've had that lemon one for a while, but I just haven't done it. You can use normal pasta if you want to, can't you? Or fresh pasta. You know, do what you want.
Good chips.
Or chips. Meatball and chips. On top of the chips, couldn't you? But that sauce is lovely, isn't it?
It's really tasty, that sauce is very tasty.
So there we go. There's nothing else to say. It's delicious. I'm going to go and eat it before it gets cold. I say I am the old food guy. Meatballs and linguine, or you can use pasta. Till the next time. I'll see you later. Bye bye. What do you mark it out of 10 back before we go?
Yeah. Do you know?
Don't know.
It's too nice.
It's too nice.
Yeah.
11. Would you mark it 11?
Probably higher.
Probably higher.
Probably
See?
tasty.
Gordon Ramsay, Jamie Oliver, got nothing on the OFG. See you later. Bye bye.